Hey you guys, so this video is going to be a quick and easy casual makeup look you can wear at any time of the day. So I hope you like this look, and be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and leave a comment at the bottom. So my eyebrows are done, as you can see, and I've already applied my primer by e.l.f. It is amazing. I got it from Walmart, so check them out. So now I'm going to use my HD Flawless setting powder, and I'm going to put that on before I put on my foundation, only because I've learned that once you put on a little powder first, it actually helps with oily skin, which I do have, and I don't like for my face to be oily all day. You know, it doesn't look good, it looks a mess, it looks greasy. So remember, ladies, apply your translucent or your setting powder before to soak up all the oil. Next, I'm going to use my foundation by Maybelline. It is the color 340, and I'm going to apply it all over my face, of course. I'm using the LA Pro Concealer by LA Girl, which is the color Almond, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start concealing my face. Be sure to always wet your sponge when you're dabbing, whether it's your foundation or your concealers or your powders. Just dab your brushes or damp your beauty blenders just to help give it a smooth finish. Now I'm going to add my setting powder and set my face. I'm using the Seduce Me palette by Beauty Creations, and I'm just going to go in with like a reddish brownish color, and that's going to be the look I'm going for today. Now remember, this is a simple look, so I'm just going to add a little shimmer just to give it a little pop. And I'm going to use my finger because I don't want it to be like really out there. I just want a little shimmer to show that, you know, just to kind of offset the eyeshadow. So I'm going to use my finger because sometimes your finger is the best tool when you don't want to do too much. Now I'm going to add the gold shimmer just to add a little more color to it so it won't just be all reddish. And I'm going to put it in my tear ducts just to give it a little slight pop. This is the LA Girl Pro Contour. So this is what I'm using to contour my face. Now I'm going in with a burgundy lip liner to line my lips before I add my lip gloss. Next, I'm going to use the Morphe Bewitched Color Lipstick Lip Gloss. And I'm going to color my lips with it. And it also adds a little sparkle to it. So, like I said, this is just going to be light, you know, pretty, classy. But you're going to have your sparkles, you're going to have your pops. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Be sure to press that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Hi you guys, so this video is basically going to be a quick little makeup look. So it's going to be something quick and easy you can use or wear it. Damn. Hi you guys, so this video is basically just going to be a simple makeup look. You can wear this any time of the day or you can wear it anytime